Honourable Speaker, when we debate the division of revenue, it's obviously impossible not to talk and reflect on the state of municipalities in South Africa. And there it is, unfortunately so, that one cannot differ from the Honourable Tambo. He made the absolute correct analysis of what is going on. And that is that we don't have efficient and sufficient funding on local government level, but that there is a lot of unnecessary spend in the other spheres of government, and that there is a lot of money that can be saved and used to the benefit of the communities out there. But, Honourable Speaker, when one does go and look at the last financial year, you see that of the conditional grants that were transferred to municipalities, only 29% of those conditional grants were spent. More than 70% were transferred back, were unspent. So the solution, Honourable Tambo, is not more money, but is a complete overhaul of our local government system. The Honourable Wakeling must be reminded of the Afrikaans saying, "In 'n blinde wêreld is een oog koning." It's very easy to say that certain municipalities are performing better, but in reality we must be honest that no municipality in South Africa is servicing all the members of the communities that they are supposed to service. We have a problem, and people out there are suffering. Be it a DA-run municipality, be it a coalition-run municipality, be it an ANC-run municipality, people are suffering. The members of our communities are not getting the basic needs addressed. The Constitution of South Africa in Section 153 says that a municipality should prioritize the basic needs of the community. Not only certain members of the community, but all the members of the community. We are not doing that, and the solution does not lie in appropriating more money to municipalities, because they don't spend it, or when they spend it, it's being stolen, eaten by fat cat contractors, eaten by tenderpreneurs, and does not reach the communities out there. Die agbare Mohale moet baie versigtig wees. Die gesig van armoede ken nie kleur nie. Mense in Suid-Afrika ly, en ons moet ophou om te sê dat dit die verlede is of dat dit swart is, want dan gaan ons nooit die werklike oorsake aanspreek en die mense se lewens verbeter nie. Ons moet begin kyk na die toekoms. We need to be future driven and look at a future where we can address the needs of our different constituents. That does not mean to say, and cannot ever mean, and won't mean to say that the face of poverty is black. You won't solve the problems then. The people of South Africa are suffering. We need real solutions. We need to debate those solutions. We need a rehaul of our local government system, and the white paper on local government is a step in the right direction. But it can't stay a white paper. It needs real plans and real solutions to overall decentralize and really get service delivery and compliance so that the people of South Africa, their basic needs are addressed. I thank you.